Guys, I just want to get on real quick. And so what this is called the PMO cycle, okay? And so when you think about the PMO cycle, it really talks about how the PMOs last and how long they last. And one of the things I've documented in my book, and one of the things I've experienced multiple times in the 9 PMOs, is this thing called the PMO cycle. So let me run you through it. The PMO starts up, you get executive support, you get a smile, you get a handshake, and basically the world is your oyster because you absolutely get everything, right? They've hired you to be the PMO manager, you got the money, you got the tools, you got the people, you are good to go. Then what happens is your PMO will last for probably 3 to 5 years, right? So why is that? Go Google it, go Bing it. Why do PMOs only last 3 to 5 years? Let me tell you why. Because executives tend to only last for 3 to 5 years, okay? Executives stay in that 3 to 5 year range. You got the executive support up front. Now that executive is deciding to leave, 3 to 5 years. And so what happens is, and you can see this executive is very blurry, but you no longer get the executive support you need. What happens now? The PMO shuts down. The PMO's gone. The organization itself is gone. And so what happens is the projects and programs and projects don't go away. Let's be very clear, they're not going away. But what happens is that organization goes away. So you as a PMO manager may often have to go find another PMO or go look for a different job. It happens, it's part of life, get it? But the PMO goes away, but the PMO is gone, okay? Programs and projects stay, but the PMO is gone. Then what happens is something major occurs. And so what major occurs? A program will fail, a big project will explode, something will happen, and what do you think the next executive will say? Actually, we need a new PMO. A PMO will solve this. So what happens is the cycle continues over and over and over. That's the 3 to 5 year. That's the PMO cycle. I've documented all in my book, the PMO life cycle, building, running, and shutting down. I talk about executive support. I talk about this cycle. I've lived it. I've done 9 PMOs. I strongly suggest you understand this cycle. And as a PMO manager, it's something you're going to have to live and breathe and deal with. But get out there, embrace it. It's just part of life. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you think below. Have you been part of that PMO cycle?